Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring Woox Exchange and try to understand the features of this exchange and what's the difference between Woox and other exchange. So let's get started. So first of all, you will get the Woox Exchange link in the video description box. After opening the website, click on the Get Started button from. Then you can create an account here and enter the email, password and referral code. You will also get the referral code in the video description. So after creating the account here, we have to complete the identity verification. Here we click the verification button, so simply complete the identity verification through face verification with your passport. So this is the process to set up an account and complete the verification. Lowest trading fees. Right now Woox exchanging 0.08% maker fees and taker fees 0.1% for both spot and managing. And for future trading, right now they are charging 0.02% maker and 0.05% taker fees. If you stake a required amount of VO token, then you will get access to zero trading fees, free withdrawal and high referral rebates. So in short, we will get many advantages for staking VO token here. So right now, if we comment Woox with other exchange in terms of trading fees, then Woox is one of the best exchange in my opinion. Fully transparent dashboard. So another thing of Woox is catching my eyes is the transparent dashboard. Here you guys will get to see the proof of reserve and liabilities. There, data is updated in every 15 minutes. If you click Learn More option, then you will get all the info. And we can also see how Woox can lower your trading cost by minimizing slippage and trading fees. If we scroll down here, we can see who has partnership with Woox. In short, they are providing as a transparent dashboard where we can see their all information, which is unique compared to other exchange. User-friendly UI. The most important feature which Woox provide, that's their user-friendly UI, where we will be able to trade with some simple steps in any coin or token. If I go market option, I can see many token coin here with different category. Here you can select the token of your choice or easily trade spot or feature through chart analysis. We will be able to customize our workspace according to our needs. We can easily deposit our asset from our crypto wallet or other exchange. And by going to security option and adding Google Authenticator, we can easily withdraw our asset to our crypto wallet at any moment. So even beginners can easily adapt to this user interface. Excellent customer service. Finally, what I like the most is their customer service system. We can reach out to customer support 24/7. Whenever we face any problem, we can get instant solution by contacting the customer service. At the bottom left side, we can see the customer service icon. By clicking there on submit request option, we have to select the problem, then we have to put out the email, subject, description and attach the file and click to the submit option. And very easily we can solve our problem. Finally, I can say if you are a crypto trader, then Woox is the best platform for you.